not that bad. It's actually pretty good.
It just looks gross.
It looks disgusting, but it's pretty good.
It's a duck.
Yes.
Just close, just close your eyes.
I can't, bro. I can't.
Just fucking close your eyes and eat that shit, dude. I just had to do it right now too. So. I did it earlier, bro.
Dude, there's fucking hair on here.
I know.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, dude. It's good, right?
No. So one thing I didn't like.
David, you know it's very expensive. Okay?
Did you hear that?
He'll eat it.
For Cambodian people, it's very expensive.
I'll buy it.
Give it to me. You should try.
I tried it.
Try, but you're not finished.